Hi guys, this is Sopmimer here and welcome to the video of YouSuite review. So this is the dashboard of this tool, and in this video, as you can see, I will show you the product totally from inside. I will clear you each and every options, and I will show you the tutorial videos like in the right hand side in this tool or in this dashboard. These are the tutorial videos, and I will clear you everything about YouSuite. And also I will be giving you 9 wow bonuses. Like why I am telling wow bonuses, like these bonuses are really wow. This will surprise you, that will help you very much to grow more online and also from some additional aspects. Okay, so I will clear you the bonuses and some additional stuffs after showing the product. Let me start with the product now. So this is the dashboard of this tool, and let me clear you firstly that there is a malfunctioning in this tool. This is the beta version or the review version of this tool, and I am using this, and I am facing a malfunctioning in this tool, and I will show you that thing also, and I'll show you the exact demo video, just avoiding how you can watch the thing, just avoiding the malfunctioning. Okay, so let me start with this product. Let me start with a very brief description about this product. So this tool is all about capturing the YouTube ads, like the YouTube traffics from the best video, from your niche video. You can capture the most targeted leads with this tool or with this app. Okay, so let me show you something from sales page, also from this tool sales page. Okay, so these are the tutorial videos, and these are really detailed video. I have gone through 5 of them. I have gone through basically all 5 of them. Okay, and then I have started using it, and I'll highly recommend you that go through all of the videos and you can start using it. And this is a very good section given here. This is ads training section. In this section you will be detailedly knowledge, you will given the knowledge detailedly about running ad inside YouTube or on YouTube. So let me just clear you the titles or the topics. Like the first thing is introduction, pretty usual, and the second thing is why should you run YouTube ads, how YouTube ads work, and the next one is how to create Google Ads account, get free promotional codes. The next one, dashboard overview and the manager setup, how to add Google Tag Code Manager in your YouTube your website. Sorry. So the next thing is YouTube ad formats, and the next thing is enable videos manually, monetization enable, and the next thing is curating video. This is coming soon videos. There are some coming soon videos also, and the script, the video ad script farming part 2, and the YouTube video ads, how to create YouTube videos basically. And the next thing is YouTube placement ad campaign, and the next one is special bonus training 1, but these are coming soon. So there are some coming soon videos also, but let me clear you that not only you are getting inside this tool the automation part, like the SaaS part, software as a service based part, but also they are giving you the knowledges, knowledge can be plural, so the knowledge. Okay, so the YouTube knowledge is given to you. The YouTube ad or YouTube marketing is totally given to you inside this section. So let me show you now the automation section. So inside projects, you have to go through the projects, and you can click on my project plus button, but this plus button is not working. As I was talking previously that there is a malfunctioning I am facing inside this tool. This was the thing, the plus button is not working properly. So let me show you some steps more from another section. Like inside the search video, it is working properly. Inside this beta version or the review version. So if I put my niche word, like let me put the dog, it will show me instantly. It will just run a search through YouTube, and it will show me the most popular or most targeted or the monetized video of YouTube. Those from those you can get the best traffic, like the warm traffic that can convert highly. Like you can promote pedigree or any other dog food inside these videos. Like you can capture the videos very easily. You can select all of them instantly, like more than 100 videos you can select. You can capture 100 videos at a time inside the front end section. and you can export them as a CSV copy, like export all, and you can export them as a CSV copy, and you can upload it inside your Google ad manager. While you run the YouTube ad, while you will go through the YouTube marketing, then you come to know about the Google AdWords. Inside that section you can put the video links and your ad will be shown up on the video. And also you can use it to adding your project via adding your project, but my project stuff is not working, and you can select a specific list also, but the project is not working inside this tool. That's why I can't show you. And also a good thing is there are so many videos, and YouTube recently announced there will be the streaming videos inside non-monetized videos also. And there is a case study given on the sales page by the owner that he has got he spent just $23, and he has taken more than $1,200. Okay, just investing $23, he got the return like $1,200, like more than 1000% conversion, the return of its investment, sorry. So this was a tool, I think, and let me show you from the additional stuffs. Like these are the ratings: 95%, performance 98, 97, 94, 97, and overall it has got 9.6 out of 10, which is an outstanding performance. And also there are two pricing categories, the personal and the commercial, and this is the early bird pricing details. And the launch period starts from 24th of March 11 AM EST, that is New York time, the morning of New York, 11 AM. You can purchase the product, and additionally they are securing by giving you the 30-day no satisfaction money back guarantee. And these are the descriptions about this product, and you can see the live action video from here. Okay, so by clicking it you can see the live action video also. And what comes from my heart, I usually write on this section. That is my word about this tool, and I have written the stuff, so you can check out them also. So these are the sales funnel. These sales funnel are pretty cleared and pretty small. You can check out the sales funnel. I don't know the descriptive part, like the what are the stuffs inside the Pro, the Platinum, but this is the title of the upsells and the pricings. Okay, so now let me show you the bonuses. So the first bonus is, as usual, my free bonus. You can ask me anything about Make Money Online from my page, ShopMeWare Facebook page. You can ask me anything, I will be answering you obviously. So my bonus number one is Explode YouTube, as this tool or this stuff is totally dependent or is about YouTube. That is why this bonus starts with YouTube bonus, like how you can explode your YouTube channel, like the subscriber stuffs and also the viewing stuff. Everything will be clear to you inside this video training. The next thing is expert content videos. This is a 30 step-by-step videos. In this section, in this video training, you will taught that how you can create your own ebook, your own software, your own plugin, and something like 7 steps you can create for your own, as you are the owner, and you can sell them, or you can use them, or you can sell them as a service. And the next thing is video marketing, magnetic video marketing. And the bonus number 4 is affiliate velocity, which is all about affiliate marketing knowledge. What are the gurus are following, like on a daily basis or on a frequent basis. After 2-3 days they do the same thing and they are earning $1,300 a week, so you can do the same. So the next thing is solo ad building profits, which is all about solo ads, and I don't know if it will be profitable for you or will be related to you, I don't know, but this is a good thing inside Make Money Online niche, and this is a must thing. You must know about solo ads and how you can run them, and that is why this bonus is put here. So the next one is special bonus. So this tool is very incredible. That is why I have gathered 80 plus stock footages. Those stock footages are free inside Pixabay and Pixels, but I have gathered them. These days people are very busy, they have no time, or they have very small time to do that kind of stuff. I have put the best stock footages you can use inside random videos, so that it will be given to you inside my special bonus. So the next thing is vendor bonus. Let me show you some example of vendor bonus. So these are the vendor bonus. So first vendor bonus is 6-month full feature account of progressive app builder commercial plan, and the next one is these are the first action taker bonus. Okay, you have to take action here firstly, then you can get this kind of vendor bonus, and there are 5 vendor bonus, so that will be given to you by default with this product. You have nothing to worry. You can purchase from anywhere. You can purchase from me or from my website or from any other's website or anyone, and you will be given the bonus. And the next thing is upsell bonus. If you purchase the upsell of this product, basically you will be given more like more softwares, 200 plus softwares, and also the doodle character image pack, the normal image pack, the music track pack, the PLR stuffs, 100 plus PLR products, so that will be given to you. So don't forget to click the sky blue button after purchasing the product to access the bonuses and to get the best apps like the upsell bonuses also after purchasing the upsell. So this was the overview of this tool, and this button will redirect you to the product. So I am signing out for the video. I'm wrapping up the video, so bye bye.